Next thing I want to do is to peel the potato, okay? When you peel potatoes, you always want to have water ready for it, because after you peel it, if you don't put it in water, it will oxidize and turn brown. Use your peeler, and the peeler goes back and forth both sides. So you start by turning it one side and peeling it, then take the top off, then go ahead and peel the other side by going back and forth. This is much faster than just go ahead and do it like this, okay? So back and forth, and you go ahead and peel it. Let me show you another potato. Again, put it 45 degrees and go with your peeler back and forth. Take the top off. Hold it on the other hand, and you do the same on the other side. This way, you see how fast it is. You peel it. You have 1 hour to do these knife skills, and any time that you save, it will help you make it better. Okay, so this is the proper way of peeling your potatoes. The next thing, I'm going to show you how to make allumette of potatoes. Allumette of potatoes means in French matchsticks, okay? So we want to make them look like regular universal matches. All around the world, matches look the same. So we want to make them look like this. So with this potato, I can square it off from both sides. And this I can put back in the water. I can make mashed potatoes out of it, family meal, okay? So I don't throw it away. And I put it in water so it won't turn color on me. Then I cut it about in the half, so I have it like this. And then I cut the base first, turn it around, then cut and create that beautiful 90 degrees. For the small dice, I did 1/4 of an inch dice. This is 1/8 of an inch dice. So I put my knife 1/8 of an inch and move forward and cut slices of 1/8 of an inch. Now, when I can't cut any more nice slices, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to evaluate my cuts and see the ones that look the best. Okay? If it's too wide, I will not use it, or if it's not straight, I will not use it. And if it looks about the same, I'm going to utilize it, okay? So I'm going to put this on, put it against my knife, put my knife 1/8 of an inch, and then go ahead and cut sticks that look like matchsticks, okay? So let me show you. This is what I'm looking for. They all look like matches, and they're all about the same size, okay? So by evaluating my slices and utilize only one that's looking the same, I'm going to cut it right. As you do it, more and more you do it, the more you will be proficient at it, the less you will have to move away, the yield will come better. But start by doing it the way it's supposed to be, like looking like a match, okay? And then we're going to put it in some water. We're going to put it like this and put it in some water. Okay, so this is for the matchsticks, okay? For your tuna, okay, for your tuna, you're utilizing also half a potatoes. For each potato, you're going to make 2 tunas. What I like to do for tuna is utilizing my half potato and go ahead and start by going around and making it look like more like a tuna on my cutting board. So when I start, I have a head start and it's kind of look like a tuna. It will be much easier for me to make a tuna out of it. Again, these big pieces, we are not throwing away. We're going to make family meal out of it in the restaurant. Okay. So tuna means to turn in French. So I put it between my thumb and my finger like this, and I turn it each time and cut it. The deal with the tuna is to be confident enough to do it in one stroke every time that you cut it. So I put my knife with an angle on the top, and then in one stroke I go ahead and cut it. So I have my first cut, I turn it, and this is where I'm going to do my second cut, okay? I keep on going from my pointing finger to my thumb, okay? And I keep turning it and cutting it, turning it and cutting it, turning it and cutting it, okay? Once I did one side, I flip it, and I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to go and cut it, and you see I'm not stopping in the middle, I'm doing it in one stroke. And at the end, I can do one more over here. At the end, it looks like a barrel, okay? So this is the way it looks like. They say football shape or a barrel, okay? And if you count it, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see that I didn't count the sides. It's by knowing the spaces between my cuts that at the end, when I finish up, it's seven sides, okay? So this is your tuna. You put it in water, so I can use some of this water over here, and put it in water. We can use it for sauteing or poaching or anything like that, okay?